We're live, and today we're game planning for those moments when your internet goes down but you still need to hit that email clutch shot. We're talking Gmail offline, turning your inbox into a player that never leaves the floor. Here's how we run the play. You're on your computer, you open Google Chrome, has to be Chrome, and you head to mail.google.com. You log into the Gmail account you want ready for action when the Wi-Fi quits on you. Top right corner, you see that little gear icon? That's your settings. Click it, then hit See All Settings. Now we're in the control room. Up top, there's a tab labeled Offline. Click that, check the box Enable Offline Mail, and suddenly the playbook opens up. You choose how many days of email you want stored, 7, 30, 90, and decide if you want attachments saved as well. More data, more space, but you've got the full arsenal ready. At the bottom, you pick what happens to that offline data, especially big if you're on a shared computer. Scroll down, hit Save Changes, Gmail reloads, and it starts quietly downloading your mail in the background. Let it sync. Once it's done, you can read, search, compose everything without a connection, and your messages fire off automatically once you're back online. No signal? No problem. Your inbox just went full championship mode.